Welcome back to the Electrician's Tool Channel. On the bench today we have the MASTECH MS5308 LCR tester. Now this tester was released to the market around 2011. And I don't know if MASTECH sells them themselves today, but I know you can find one if you're interested on eBay or one of the other sites that's out there. They're still available, but a lot of them you can still find them coming from China or whatever. Anyway, what I want to do, guys, before I continue, I'm gonna ask you to leave the location where you're watching from, just the city, state, country. Just leave it in the comments. Let me know where you're watching from. So just reach out and talk and say greetings to you, and I really appreciate that. All right, then. So what I'm gonna do today, it's not gonna be a real long video. I'm just gonna go over a few of the features and let you know why I like this tester so much. I have a few LCR testers that I'm really fond of, but I like this one too also. So I think this is the one I'm gonna be using the most out of all of them. So let's get right into it. We're gonna go over a few tests and just tell you what I like. Like I said, this meter here, this tester here, I should say, it comes with a lot. Oh, I accidentally turned it off. Okay, I'm trying to get the glare from the light, man. Anyway, I bought this one, and it came with a lot of. It came with some like this disc right here. It also came with this like this PC cable right here that connects it if you want to download to the computer. Let me just back up, adjust this camera, guys. Okay, and came with this manual, this nice manual, and it also came with these SMD tweezers right here. You get some. Let me pull back. You get the Kelvin clips, right here, and you get the these SMD tweezers. This meter, like I said, I like it really a lot. So what I'm gonna do, let's do a few tests, and so I can let you guys get back to doing what you're doing. So let me see. One second, fellas. Get something. All right. All right. Let me just set it up where you guys can see. All right, move all this out of the way. And it also comes with a bag, okay? A regular old bag that you put it in. It's not really to talk about, but it's a nice bag. Anyway, it takes 8 AAA batteries, AA batteries, to power it up. I think it was 8. I haven't changed the batteries in a while. I think it's 8. Yeah. I think it's 8 AA batteries to power it up. Anyway, there's these Kelvin clips right here, really nice. And if you were to, this is how you power it on right here. This green button right here. And let me just zoom you in closer so you can get a look at it of all the features on it. The function, turn the backlight on. By the way, the backlight is really nice and bright, evenly lit, white LED. The function, you'll be able to scroll through induction, capacitor, that's parallel, that's resistance parallel, and the DCR function. And it also has ESR on here as well. Q, quality, and CP, RP, and whatever you're testing on here as far as passive components. So, and there's a certain kind of way that if you want to short it out, I had to figure this out. If you want to short it out, but those of you who don't know, because I had to figure out how to shorten it out, how to calibrate it. Right here on the top, let me zoom it out some. Right here on the top right here, they have a little hole where it says calibration right on the top. What you want to do, I got a paper clip, and you just watch how you do it. You don't want to mess things up. So you put these leads back in there. Put the Calvin clip back in there. Show you what I do. And I take it. You watch, you don't just jiggle it around and then mess nothing up. I just make sure I'm on top of the little button here. Press once. Wait, what did I do? All right, hold on. See, I tell you what, it's not the best. But anyway, I was going to put a screw in here. It takes a small, I don't know if it's 1132 or what. No, it's not. It's smaller than that. But there you go. Got to put a little, I didn't want to press it too hard, but it said open. You see that? It said open. Open means you leave it apart, just like this, and you press it again. You press it again. Then it counts down. And guys, I'm recording with my phone, so I guess we have to wait till it counts down for the 30 seconds. So just to show you. And once you get through it finished calibrating, it's going to tell you either pass or fail. In this case, if we have it open, like I say, none of the leads are touching. So it passed. So now what we're going to do, you want to get out of there, get out of here, press it again to clear it. Okay, it says short. Now you want to short them together. Okay, and you want to do it again. You guys can see that. I'm trying to get the glare, and from there we go. And when it completes the calibration, it should say again pass or either fail. Okay. There we go. So it passed. All right. So we're good to go. So, and it's either automatic or manual. I like to set it up in auto. Sometimes you don't know what kind of component you're testing. You can leave it in auto, and it'll sort it out for you. So, let me clear this. All right, it's clear. Now, so in the case like with this capacitor, this electrolytic capacitor right here, I'm gonna shorten it out. Short it out, and this is, I think, with like 68 microfarads, and it's 460 volts at 68 microfarads. Okay, so it's pretty fast too, guys. Watch this. It's pretty fast at measuring whatever you put on it. Watch. That was pretty fast. Okay, so that's at 1 hertz, and it's saying it's 68 microfarads. Sometimes you might want to just go through the frequencies. Right now it's at 1 kilohertz. So let's see what it does. That's 56, so that is at 100 kilohertz now. So this is that's not it. 64. And that's at 100 kilohertz. Let's try 100 hertz and see what happens. That's at that's 100 hertz, 120 hertz, and is in series. Okay, so that's 64. It's not changing much. I normally test them at 100 hertz, like that, and we'll see what happens. 64.97. That's still pretty good, but it's just and it's fast. Like I say, it has. So let's finish talking about the features. It has the function. You can go through all the settings. This is for the RS-232. That's when you want to link it to your PCP. I mean the PC, if you want to. Got the hold, the backlight. It has the DQ ESR set up right here if you choose to. If you want to press that, watch the changes. Let me see. Hold on a minute. Okay. I'm trying to get the ESR reading. Let's see. Some Q. Now it should give me an ESR reading. Series parallel. Q. ESR reading. That's it. There we go. So it's 64 and at 1.0 ESR, and that's that's 460 volts. I had a chart up there what the ESR should be about, but it doesn't go up to 460 volts. Anyway, do that look right to some of you guys who may, those of you who may have a chart? Do that look right? If it is, let me know. If not, let me know also. Anyway, that's that capacitor, 68. This one here is at 1500 microfarads. I want to try this one. See, and you always want to shorten your short your capacitors out. You don't want to damage your tester. This is 1500 microfarad. Hmm. 1342.5, 1.6 ESR 0. Okay, that's close enough. I have one here for 3300 microfarads. Just like to see if it tests that or not, if it'll do it. And it's 3300 right here. $3,006. Okay. All right. It also has this resistor right here, and it's for 70,000 ohms. Watch it. It's gonna. That's what I like about it. It's giving it to me down here. Okay. 66.8 ohms, kilo ohms. So I don't know if that's. Let's just see if that's right. I'm gonna hold that, and I'm gonna bring in this meter right here, just to see if it's 66.8. .10. So yeah, it's within spec. It's within spec. Okay. Let's test this component right here. Just some kind of relay or a transformer. I should not show up, but let's try and see what it says. It'll let me know. Let me get out of this. Oh, it's on hold. It makes better reset itself. Okay, so it's 16.72 henries. Okay, so this is some kind of it has a coil in it then, because we're giving me henries. Let's see again. That's giving me 329.3 microhenries. Yeah, this is some kind of transformer. Yeah. Okay. I don't know if it'll go up this high. This capacitor right here is for 32,000 microfarads. I wrote it on here because because the labeling here was kind of fading. So let's see what it'll do with this. Let me shorten it out to make sure I don't damage my tester. All right, where are we? $32,000. No, it doesn't like this one. It don't go that high. Then again, let me try with the. That's 10 kilohertz as far as the frequency. It's 100 kilohertz. $100 right here. And that's 120 hertz. 0.42. So is that parallel though? It's not giving me microfarad. It won't read it. I think it's too much for it. Okay, let's try that. Nope, I thought it's on it. No. The highest it'll go, 14,000. I think that's still good though, but no, it didn't. It won't test it. Let's do this transformer. This is it's going to be induction. That's wrong because it should be. Wait. It should be on auto. But it's giving me microfarads for a transformer. It should be microhenry. There we go. That's it. 617 microhenries. Now it's back to auto. Okay. So, guys, this device is really nice. This is the back part of it. Let me just show you. It has that big wide frame. Stand in the back to help hold it up. If you were to touch any of the buttons, it won't fall over on you. If that, it's really nice. Have a holding strap right here. And again, like I said, they have a plug right here for if you wanted the RS232 plug right here. And this next one is for the power cord. I don't have a power cord for it. From what I hear, is really defective, and it works. It's not recommended to use. Put it like that. It's not recommended. Maybe you can find something else to make it work if you wanted to power it up. But I'm running off battery, so it's good enough for me. But other than that, this is a really nice tester. I don't have no problem with it, at all. I like the size of it. I like to have big testers. I don't want nothing gonna take over my whole bench as far as like width, like depth. That's too big. But something like this, I like this size. As you see, I got this this tester back here. I like this kind of stuff to go on my little bench. So I'm all right with that. I'm all right with it. So this is a very nice meter. I don't have no problem with it at all. I used to have the Reed. I can't think of the model number, but I still do have it up here. But I like using this one. I really do. These tweezers work pretty good too. When you're working with SMD boards, surface mount devices, but I really like to use this. Those are the ones I use the most. Guys, I hope you liked the video. It's like I said, I'm not gonna keep you long, and don't forget to leave your location in the comments where you're watching from. Sure would appreciate it. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.